Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you a landing page that I made through Clickfunnels. So this is a free webinar by Miss Pearl Home. So this is now the landing page. So in here is the header, free webinar by Miss Pearl Home. And then we have here like the slogan, live your dream, let's make it happen. And then over here is the headline. Of course, it's being written in bold. How I went from being broke to having 6 to 7 figure monthly income at age 25. So if you notice here that I capitalized the starting letter of each word, as I have read somewhere that it's very effective in catching the attention of the viewers or the readers. So that's being in bold, and if you notice, it's different from the rest. And then here with Pearl Home, new year, new opportunities. Make your dreams come true in 2022. Join me as I share my secret formula with you. So the key here is secret formula. And then we have here, just below this, is we have the call to action, which is, yes, please save my seat. So once you click this one, there will be a pop-out page. But we won't do that yet. Let's proceed to the next part. So in here, what you will learn. So what will the viewer or the attendee or the attendees will get if you are to, or if they are to attend the webinar. So they will learn the number way that they're self-sabotaging and keeping themselves from their goals. Number 2, 5 major mistakes that hold you back and keep you from reaching your dreams and you didn't even realize you're making them. Number 3, myths that you need to stop believing now and how you can get past them. And number 4, revealing my whole proven success formula. So what's in it for them? Here are the benefits that they will get out of the free webinar. Next is, we have here about Pearl Home. So what I did is I just put a link of the YouTube video which is about Pearl Home. So overall, the video is featuring her life, what she does, what she did, and everything about her. And then after that, I put another call to action. Yes, I want to live my dream and make it happen. Again, if you are to click this, the same pop-out page will come out. And then here at the bottom, I said here, we are limited to 100 webinar attendees. So you are like warning them that if you didn't hurry, if you're not quick enough, then there might be no seats left for you. So once the seats are gone, registration will close. So, and then the footer here, Pearl Home 2022, all rights reserved. Okay, so that's the landing page. That's how it looks like. And then so we'll try to click the call to action. Okay, so yes, please save my seat. It doesn't matter which call to action you will click here, it's the same thing. Okay, so now register your spot now. Just enter your name and email to secure your spot on this webinar. So let's say I say more, and then I'll put here my details. So they have the option whether they want to receive an SMS text before the event starts. So they can tick or untick this box. And then so I'll click on secure your spot now. And this is now the webinar countdown. So it says here, congrats, you're booked for the webinar. Seat booking confirmation is successful. So this is now the webinar countdown page. So if you notice here, it's got a countdown. So this is the name of the event. How I went from being broke to having 6 to 7 figure monthly income at age 25. And then it says here, warning, space is limited and this live training always fill up because they are significantly better than the information others charge you thousands for, even though they are free. So, and then it's talking here about the presenter, and then I put here a picture of Miss Pearl. And then the webinar date and time. So that's basically it. That's the landing page that I made for a free webinar. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video.